Welcome back to our channel. 28 is about tRNA protein synthesis. I remember tRNA joined with the amino acid. Yeah, bind with the amino acid, join to it, forming some bonds first. Okay, I remember it. Okay, so first of all, load up some facts and about the enzyme. Maybe you forgot it. You don't know this thing, but then you have to find guess. Okay, what happened by this enzyme? This enzyme have this binding to happen, right? And then you must think that energy is released. Energy is used up. Okay, so we of course release some ATP, right? It is some energy, okay, to do this binding procedure, right? That they will bind by themselves. So which one is incorrect? By this energy point of view, it need ATP, not releasing. So which one must be wrong? Yes, C is wrong. Using ATP, attach amino acid with tRNA, but don't be too confident. Okay, you have to find out the problem of B and D before you can make sure A is correct, because there's no marking for you to check in exam, right? So you need to have this skill. Okay, don't be too confident. So what's the problem of B and D? Activate. I think I will use the word binding. Yeah, binds with it, right? Not activate the tRNA. I think it just binds to it. Okay. What's the problem of D? Hydrogen bond. What is the bond between amino acid and tRNA? They should bond together like in a covalent way, right? Stronger bond, okay? So the amino acid has a COOH, tRNA has some hydroxide group, and then they join together, and we call this kind of bond ester bond. COOR, right? Forming ester. So we call it an ester bond. The hydrogen bond is too weak. Okay, they should have some covalent bond joined together. So relaxing. So in the exam it's like this. Okay, make sure you look at all the 4 options. Make sure 3 wrong and 1 correct. And then I assure it is by your knowledge at that moment the best choice you can make is A. And after this procedure, although it takes a little bit longer time, and you can say, I'm done with it. Well done. And you can proceed to next question with confidence. See you for next question.